gagawin muna namin adobo pancit. Tapos, gagawa ko ng pan-base ng pumpkin pie. So, busy ako ngayon. Walang madyo.
Pero pwedeng sumayaw.
La 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 la. So guys, this is Dancing Pilo Mama. I'm starting to focus on pumpkin pie that my daughters requested every time in her birthday. So I don't want to cook it, but I feel guilty because it's her birthday and she always requests this food since when she's how old? 5 until now. She's already old. She's already 35 years old. She's still no, she's 23, but she's
I'm not 25.
Huh?
25.
She's 25. I thought in my head she's 23. My goodness. Hala, you're 25?
Yes.
Hala. Oh my goodness, I'm getting old. I have dementia, guys. So anyway, I start with a garlic, and then onion. This one is for the meat. So I make mince to put the pumpkin pie. So I cook the mince and then vegetable, and then I mix it, and then I put it on what's they call this one? Pastry. I show you guys. So flicks. But while I'm cooking, I'm doing exercise. La 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 la. I can't believe, oh yeah, my loneliness. Check mo guys, what's out sa kalabasan ng aking niloloto. So guys, ang kaibigan ko dinalaw ako. Ngayon, papakantahin ko siya ng isang kanta bago umuwi. Sige, kanta na.
Sige.
There are times when a woman has to say what's on her mind.
Wow.
Even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you
Galing
I
talaga.
love you. Let me hold me close and say these words as gently as I can.
Wow.
Ano, chorus na ba?
Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules.
Wow, ang galing.
Okay na.
Okay, thank you very much. So, ito na guys. Pakita ko lang sa iyo guys. Ito na ipasok ko na yung garlic, onion, tomato. Yan guys, oh. So, ngayon, ang ilalagay ko naman ay ang pork mince. So, yan guys, ang pork Masyadong ano to guys, ang proseso tong pagkain na to. Kaya ayaw ko guys. Magluto nito kasi napapagod ako kasi ang proseso nito mga haba. Tapos lagyan ko guys ng salt. This is salt. And then pepper. Ang dinner namin guys, mamayang gabi pa. So ngayon, nagluto na kami ng maaga. Kasi mahabang proseso. Saka marami akong niluluto guys. Ito pa guys, ang nakaano sa itong aking adobo. Say guys, adobo. Baboy at manok. Yan. Yan ang niluluto kong adobo. So, hantayin nyo lang guys ang susunod, ang katapusan ng luto ni Dancing Pero Mama. Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok ang rhyme. Sasayaw na sa ang saya-saya. Bumtiyaya pa. Antayin nyo na guys. So guys, ngayon ilalagay ko na yung spaghetti. Ilalagay ko na ang spaghetti ng natin. Yan ang sauce na nilalagay ko kasi yun ang gusto din nila. Kasi nung maliit pa sila, pag gumagawa ako ng spaghetti, ito parati ang gamit ko. So, naano na sila. Agas lang ako guys. Nakakapagod. Kaya ayaw ko. So, pakita ko sa iyo guys. Tingnan nyo. Ito. Ayan na. Ayan. So, ito yung gamit ko para ilagay doon sa pastry. So, ito ang una. Tapos yung lalagay, ko yung mga vegetable na. Tapos, ilalagay na sa oven. Saka yun ang gusto nila. So, while na naghantay kami dito guys, dito na naman ako sa pansit namin. Dito naman ako sa pansit guys. So, hindi lang isa ang niluto ko. Nakaluto na ako ng adobo. So, ito so far yung adobo. Ayan. Yan ang adobo ko. Tapos, ito ngayon ang pansit. So, while naghahantay dito sa sauce ng aking pumpkin pie, dito naman ako nagigisa ng baboy para sa pansit, guys. So, flex lang, guys! Ko na naipakita sa inyo yung paggisa ko ng baboy at nakita niyo ba? Nakita ba? At baboy at yung tawag nito sibuyas at bawang. At ngayon guys, ito gusto ko kasi maraming gulay. Kaya, ayun, daming gulay nilagay ko. Ayan. So, guys, ayan. Ang daming gulay. yan guys. Ito, yan. Yan lang muna guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ang sa susunod niyan. Pagluto na. Okay guys. Stay tuned. Yan guys. Nalagyan ko na. Lagyan ko ng paminta. Hindi ko na tinatakal kung ano, basta inaano ko lang kung ano, tapos a bit of salt. Ayan. Hindi ko na guys tinatakal ha. Tingnan mo. Oh. Kasi mahilig ako sa gulay guys. Mga kadansit ko mama, mahilig kasi ako sa gulay. Gusto ko ang pansit maraming gulay. Ayun na guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang finished product nito guys. Stay tuned. So guys, ito na ang finished product. Ay, hala. Ano pala ito? Oh, yeah. Ayan, guys. So, ito yung finished product, guys. Lagdagan pa namin yan ng so, guys, tingnan nyo. So, here they are, guys. My finished product of my noodles. Pansit sa Pilipinas, sa Australia is egg noodles. See you. The dog is thirsty. Look at that. He's very thirsty. So, it's okay, ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jade. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hip hip! Happy birthday, Jade. Hooray! 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 Okay. Woo! Dance. Happy birthday, Michael.
It's not my birthday. What are you doing now?
It's your birthday because you're like that's a stranger. You're a stranger for mama now.
I'm a stranger now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Josh, look at our hole.
It's like, do I know you, boy?
No, don't.
I thought so. Who's your mother?
I don't know, never met her in my life.
Oh,
I have no idea.
why?
I, you know, grew up in a foster home.
And
Got foster parents.
oh,
Yeah, I was adopted. Didn't end up well there, so I ran away. Got adopted by different parents.
oh. So who adopted you?
I don't even remember the first people. The second people, there was like Bruce Wayne and stuff. So
Quarter of a century.
yeah.